So, this is gonna be in the front of the video. Disclaimer, the lighting is all over the place for this video because of the fact that kind of makeshift and did not have the ring light. So, it's gonna be wonky, but it is what it is. You'll get the gist. It's kind of choppy, not the usual. Bear with us.
What up, fam? Welcome back to the kitchen. We're finna make remoulade.
There you go. You've been asking to be in the video. Are you excited to make something? All right, fam. So we've got the 1 cup of mayo. What are you finna add next?
2 spoons of
dill relish.
dill relish.
With 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of relish.
There you go. Now, next you have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
Now we add 1 table of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of hot sauce.
Teaspoon. Yeah, I almost got it.
Hot sauce.
Okay.
2 teaspoons of kale.
Capers.
Capers.
There you go.
2 teaspoons of milk garlic.
Minced garlic.
Mint garlic.
There you go. We gotta go get your brother, see what's wrong with him.
2 teaspoons of
1 teaspoon of Creole mustard.
1 teaspoon of Creole mustard.
Yes, sir. A little force with it. There you go.
1 Worcestershire sauce.
There you go. You said that better than a lot of grown people say that, son. Good job.
1 teaspoon of paprika.
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 Yep, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika.
Now we're gonna get ready to stir this all up. Dad, I stirred it up good.
Yeah, you started up very well. I was just about to tell them, I hope you guys enjoyed Aiden and Fritz making the remoulade for our po' boys today. And we're gonna get on to the next step in just a moment. Stay tuned. We hope you guys are gonna be intrigued and rocking with the new changes that we got coming about. So until next segment, we've got these up here that have been double battered. Did that off camera, too labor intensive by myself. And we did the lazy way with these. We just did the batter, threw the rest of the remaining batter in with the bowl of the remaining shrimp due to the fact that double breading those, it took about half the mixture with double breading them. So therefore the other half, we use that with the reserved shrimp. We're gonna toss it on over in our seasoned flour, cornmeal mix, and call it a wrap. finished product. Top, double batter, as you can see the single batter a little cleaner, double batter kind of hanging off. Singles, doubles. After finishing, put in the refrigerator to cool for 20 minutes. Bing.